Going backwards to our Sunday, we did get into the negatives for our lows already, -1. Our high, though, slightly below average at 22 degrees, nowhere near a record of 45 or -21 degrees. Looking at some of those snow totals going back to Sunday's system, we did get about ½ a foot in Manistee, about 4.5 in Ironwood, a little bit over 2.5 in Marquette, and just almost slightly under 1.25 inches in the Sioux. Looking at those temperatures today, they have rebounded closer to what it's supposed to be for this time of the year. 27 in Houghton, 27 in Marquette, 27 in Iron Mountain, 31 in Escanaba, and even a little bit above freezing in 34 in Munising and Manistee, helping with that little bit of that partial snow melt. But looking at those winds, they're blowing now mostly out of the west, a little bit lighter than they were earlier today, mostly between about 5 to 10 miles per hour for the central UP, 7 in Marquette in Iron Mountain, 6 in Munising, but it's starting to pick up a little bit more towards the west. Still hanging on to that southwesterly flow in Ironwood at 16, but blowing at 20 in Houghton. Looking at what's ahead going into the next couple of days, those temperatures are going to begin to fall as we deal with a cold front that's going to be coming in late tonight. We could be dealing with sub-zero lows for parts of the UP starting from Wednesday morning all the way till Friday morning. And by the end of the week, as those temperatures are getting ready to rebound just a bit, the snow will march in with a new disturbance. But this will be a setup of this cold air because the jet stream will begin to fall further towards the south. It's going to fall way into the mid-south. That's going to allow a lot of that Arctic air to really just settle in portions of the Great Lakes and into the northeast. So it's really going to be a bitterly cold week compared to what we've seen just a couple of weeks ago. But let's take a look at that futurecast. There are parts of the UP, though, that are still under some weather advisories. Actually, around the Houghton area, there's actually a blizzard warning in effect starting tomorrow morning all the way till Thursday morning. For that area only, they will be seeing blizzard conditions that will include very strong winds up to 50 miles per hour gusts, snow accumulations up to a foot. That will reduce the visibility, so do take extreme caution if you are in the Houghton area. But the rest of the UP will be seeing mostly scattered snow showers with partly sunny skies. So the rest of the region will be looking overall semi-pleasant as we go into the next couple of days. For tonight, though, will be 8 degrees. Wind chills already hitting the 0 mark with those winds out of the southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Going into your Tuesday a little more closely, we will see those wind chills becoming more negative as we go into tomorrow as those winds shift out of the west. Temperatures are only going to be about 20 degrees colder than they are today, only into those upper single digits to low teens, 9 in Crystal Falls and Florence, 7 in Ontonagon, 12 in Houghton, 12 in Escanaba, 14 in Munising. So just bundle up seriously for the next couple of days. Will be brutal when it comes to those temperatures and those wind chills. Looking at your day plan a little more closely, the sun will rise at 8:26 a.m. Temperatures are only going to rise into those low to mid-teens in some areas of the UP, but we'll have partly sunny skies. And going into tomorrow night, we will have those temperatures dip right near 0. So just some rough conditions ahead when it comes to that thermometer. And going into the next 7 days, temperatures are really not going to get close to the 20-degree mark until we get at least until Friday or Saturday. And by then, we'll be dealing with a new system coming in, increasing those snow chances. Morning lows are going to stay below the 10-degree mark. So overall, even though there's going to be a decent amount of sunshine this week, it's just going to be a rough, crazy one with those temperatures.